Welcome to our quick guide on the top 5 do's and don'ts in manufacturing supply chain planning. Let's dive in. Do's. Do use data analytics for accurate forecasting and informed decision-making. Do implement lean manufacturing to minimize waste and optimize efficiency. Do build strong partnerships with suppliers for a more reliable supply chain. Do plan for the unexpected. Always have a backup plan ready. And do invest in technology to enhance efficiency and visibility in your supply chain. Don'ts. Don't ignore customer feedback. It's crucial for tailoring your supply chain strategies. Don't underestimate lead times. Always plan ahead to avoid stockouts. Don't overcomplicate your processes. Simplicity leads to efficiency. Don't neglect staff training. A skilled team is your greatest asset. And finally, don't rely just on historical data. Stay alert to market dynamics.